Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is actually a purpose-built blade. So I think UK Tony is right. This is meant to be that way. I've just never seen one before. But that doesn't mean it doesn't exist, because I have it in my hands for one thing, and also it means that I don't know everything. Now it's been twisted, but you know, it's been through the Habitat for Humanity restore, so that means it's been beat up and banged around and dropped, and all kinds of things have happened to it. So I imagine the blade got twisted doing that. It's a Bosch blade, has HCS written right there. I don't know what that means. I'll probably have to look the blade up to see what's going on with it. I'm going to try and straighten it with a pair of pliers just to see what I can make it work, you know, because that's the theme of the whole exercise here, is taking something that's broken and making it the way it should be. So I imagine this isn't supposed to be twisted, and it's also gotten really hot right there. Looks like it's lost the set. The teeth are still sharp. I got most of the twist out of it. Got a little kink to it. Let's see if we can get that out of there. And that appears to be fairly straight. Put it back in the saw, see if we can't cut this piece of 3/4 inch poplar. Works. I have to really push down on it to make it work. Because it wants to try and lift off the board. Wood Magazine has a lot of great ideas. It's a good resource. I found out about what a reverse blade is for just by reading this article. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.